Hey everyone, it's Linnea with another product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps December release. This one is the Birthday Party Dragons 4x6 clear stamp set. So these cute little dragons and these sentiments are perfect for all of your birthday cards. So let's talk about some measurements. That top dragon with the cake, he is about 3 inches wide by 2 3/4 inches tall. That second one, hanging and flying with those balloons, my favorite one, he measures about 2 1/4 inches wide by 2 3/4 inches tall. Now what's fun about these balloons is that they are a solid balloon with the words happy birthday, and they are negative, so whatever color cardstock you're stamping on, they will show up, and then the balloons will be in your ink color, which is super fun. The bigger one is 7/8 of an inch by 7/8 of an inch, and then the smaller one is 5/8 of an inch square. And I just love this whole stamp set. I think that it is absolutely adorable. The sentiments here, you're going to get 5 sentiments. They are in this fun kind of handwritten font, which I love. I am pulling these sentiments for a whole bunch of my birthday cards. So here's some inspiration for you using the new Birthday Party Dragon stamp set. I also paired this with the slimline bunting borders and the rainbows paper pad. So thank you so much for watching this reveal video. This stamp set and these other products I've used on today's card are available now in the Whimsy Stamp shop. Thank you so much. Bye.